So my first recommendation would be just kind of walk your way through it rather than pedal.
Oh, that's so cool. Backwards bike.
Something wrong with the bicycle.
Oh, shit.
Chef.
Yes. Yes, chef.
Right, come on out so other people can get out. Just kind of line up on this side, line up on that side.
Oh, no.
Filming. Emily. I'm not recording his face. Focus on the mic.
Concept, but it's not. Okay.
You come on this side if you want.
Got this. Oh gosh. Hey, I got a little bit further than I thought I
If
would.
you just close your eyes and blink them open and close, you do well. Blink with an eye.
I'll try running it back. One
You can
last
do
chance. Third time's the charm, right?
Yep.
Ah! No, that's not the charm.
Okay, so maybe we're just not thinking through it clear. Can you guys keep going out so others can see? Come out here and just line up a little more.
Your turn, Tiffany.
Okay, you just gotta think through it, right? It's like Lightning McQueen, right? You have to turn left to go right.
Turn right to go left.
Go right.
Thank you. Or should I say no thank you? I'll go. Because in the opposite world, they'll tell you say thank you.
It's more of a pride thing than anything else. You're gonna go home today and tell your parents or whoever's at home, say, I rode a backwards green bike.
I fell off
Like,
a
what?
backwards bike.
And you'll notice there are no brakes on this thing. We took them off, the wires not be a problem. But you know what? You're not going fast enough to need brakes.
And you gotta get your feet on the pedals there?
That's too hard. It's just like.
It's in front of a girl. It's a great way to meet somebody, right?
Just like go back to your head. Like, hello, I almost decapitated myself on a backwards bike today. First day of astronomy class, I almost got decapitated. Yeah.
How much would it suck to get your fingers
Hey,
caught?
Tiffany, your turn.
It's sitting there waiting.
Yeah, for real. Anyone else want to give it a go?
Sure, I will. You can do it, Mono. You can do it. Don't be shy. Go.
Yeah, we
You
want
can
to
do it.
make sure we have our phones out so we can have some video footage.
Oh, she already is.
For insurance purposes and for America's Funniest Videos, okay?
Yeah.
We'll send it all in and we'll all split the winning.
Yeah.
$50 for you.
Okay, Tiffany, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Now again, you don't have to pedal.
Come on,
all the
Tiffany.
time. It's kind of like a strider bike. You know what a strider bike is? Yeah. Don't have pedals. Just kind of walk it at first, but just feel how it moves. Now, if the seat's too high, we can lower that too. I just kind of put that in.
Do it. You can do it.
Like I said, you can walk it there.
Don't use the pedals, they're traps, apparently.
Do you guys see though how your brain wants to default into that corrective state, yet it makes it worse?
Yeah.
Because it is the opposite. The opposite of right is
Left.
wrong.
And right to the left. Unleash your inner McQueen.
This bike is so heavy.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's got rear suspension though. It's got nice little
You can do it.
shocks. But-
Use the force.
Wait, Mr. Demi, have you figured out how to write it? Have you unlocked the secret?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, let's use the one who wants it can write it.
Well, I did get a degree in backwards bike riding. Let's see if I still remember this from college here.
What?
What? Witchcraft. Wait, now I want to do this. I call witchcraft burning at the stake.
Like magic, but real.
Can you still ride a normal bike?
Excellent question. Funny.
Yeah.
So when I had this made for me a few years ago, I did take it home over the summer, and I thought, I'm going to try to learn how to ride this. We can go back in, we'll have about, what, 10 minutes left of class here? We'll get out in 56.
Yeah.
And try to finish this video, because it's like a 40-minute video.
It's 7:57.
Yeah, it's only about 8 minutes yet. keep pausing it. But Destin said the same thing. He said, I took this on as a personal challenge. I wanted to learn how to do it. I did the same, took it home, and after a lot of kind of reenactments of you guys, I got so far. Did you see those 3 inches? Right. Yeah, a lot of struggles at first, but eventually I got better and better as I learned the pattern. As I start falling this way, I know to move my arms in this direction to correct that balance. And as I fall this way, I know to move my hands that way to correct my balance. So I've started to override that algorithm in my brain that says when I'm falling this way, I turn this way. And what happens? It goes out underneath me.
And you get misaligned.
Yeah, and then I gotta put the gears back on here. They're at an angle, so they come undone at a certain location. But still off, but that's all right. So I learned how to do this, right? And then later, Destin decided once he became proficient at riding it, he wanted to ride a normal bicycle to see how that affected his ability to ride. They say it's like riding a bicycle. You cannot ride a bike for years and then get on and just zoop. Have you ever tried that?
Yeah.
Have any of you like not ridden a bike in like years and years and years and you get on and you ride it just fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's interesting is he decided to try that. Should we go inside and look at that?
Wait, so how long did it take to master this?
And then I'll tell you how long it took me, and then you're gonna like think I'm like awesome superstar.
Oh, yes.
Was that fun, Tiffany?
Yeah, the one problem I did have was I'm so used to my like really lightweight aluminum bike that I have, and so going on like a super heavy bike that I wasn't familiar with, just the frame itself was like the problem.
Oh no.
And so I was distracted by how heavy is it, how like
Okay.
what's the seating and everything, instead of the gears.
How long?
It was
Took
like
me a
you feel
few
some kind of
days
pathway in my
doing
brain that was
45
now
minutes, an
unlocked.
hour.
It was really weird though. It's like there's
Overall, I
this
probably
trail
did
in my
faster
brain,
than
but if
him,
I wasn't
but I
paying
spent more
close
time in
enough
one
attention to it,
city,
my brain would easily
so I
lose
could
that
train the
neural path and
brain
jump back
quicker
onto
than
the
instead of
old road
5,
more
and
familiar.
then wait 24 hours,
Any
and then
small
5.
distractions at all, like a cell phone ringing in my